Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crown Cars TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs expected to arrive in the premium market, the 2027 BMW X8. Designed to combine bold styling, cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and outstanding performance, the BMW X8 is expected to become the flagship SUV in BMW's lineup. If you're a fan of luxury vehicles with powerful performance and futuristic design, then you're definitely going to enjoy what this SUV has to offer. From the very first glance, the 2027 BMW X8 makes an unforgettable impression. BMW has given the X8 an even more aggressive and premium appearance with a bold front fascia that instantly demands attention. The iconic kidney grille has been redesigned with illuminated detailing and a more refined shape, giving the SUV an unmistakable identity both during the day and at night. On either side of the grille are sleek adaptive LED headlights with a modern lighting signature that gives the X8 a futuristic look. The front bumper features larger air intakes and aerodynamic elements that not only improve cooling but also enhance the vehicle's sporty personality. Every curve and body line has been carefully sculpted to create an SUV that looks elegant while maintaining a commanding road presence. Moving to the side, the BMW X8 showcases a stylish coupe-inspired roofline that adds a sporty touch without sacrificing practicality. The long wheelbase, muscular wheel arches, and large alloy wheels create a powerful stance that makes the SUV look planted and confident. Chrome accents and flush door handles contribute to its premium appearance, while aerodynamic side mirrors help reduce wind resistance. At the rear, the 2027 BMW X8 continues to impress with slim LED taillights connected by a stylish light bar that stretches across the tailgate. A sporty roof spoiler, sculpted rear bumper, and integrated dual exhaust outlets complete the athletic design. Every detail of the exterior reflects BMW's commitment to blending luxury with performance. Now let's talk about performance, where the BMW X8 is expected to truly shine. Although official specifications may vary depending on the final production model, the X8 is expected to offer a range of powerful engines, including advanced turbocharged 6-cylinder and V8 options. Higher performance variants may even feature plug-in hybrid technology to deliver impressive power while improving efficiency. The flagship version is expected to produce well over 600 horsepower, allowing the X8 to accelerate with incredible confidence despite its size. Whether you're merging onto the highway or enjoying a spirited drive on open roads, the power delivery is expected to be smooth, immediate, and exhilarating. BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction by automatically distributing power between the front and rear wheels. This gives the X8 outstanding stability during rain, snow, and challenging road conditions while also enhancing cornering performance. Ride comfort remains one of the strongest qualities of the BMW X8. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth and refined driving experience during daily commuting while becoming firmer and more responsive in sport mode. The steering is expected to feel precise and well-balanced, making this large luxury SUV surprisingly enjoyable to drive. The braking system is designed to provide strong stopping power, giving drivers confidence even during high-speed driving. Combined with advanced driving assistance technologies, the X8 is expected to deliver an exceptionally safe and comfortable driving experience. Inside the cabin, the 2027 BMW X8 offers an environment that perfectly matches its premium price tag. High-quality leather upholstery, genuine wood or carbon fiber trim, and soft-touch materials create a luxurious atmosphere throughout the interior. The dashboard is expected to feature BMW's latest curved digital display, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, navigation, and over-the-air software updates ensure that drivers always stay connected. The front seats are expected to offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple adjustment settings for maximum comfort. Rear passengers also benefit from generous legroom, premium seating, and advanced climate controls, making long journeys relaxing for everyone. Cargo space remains practical despite the sporty coupe roofline, allowing families to carry luggage, shopping bags, or travel gear with ease. BMW has successfully balanced luxury, practicality, and performance in one impressive package. Overall, The 2027 BMW X8 appears ready to redefine the luxury SUV segment. Its striking exterior design, advanced technology, powerful performance, premium interior, and legendary BMW driving dynamics make it one of the most exciting upcoming SUVs. Whether you're looking for everyday comfort, long-distance touring capability, or thrilling performance, the BMW X8 promises to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Thank you for watching Crown Cars TV. We'd love to hear your opinion. If you had the opportunity to buy the 2027 BMW X8, would you choose it over the Mercedes-Benz GLS, Range Rover, or Audi Q8? Let us know which SUV you'd pick and why in the comments below.